I will not be on any stream with any other Liverpool fan until they're in the top 4. I was telling you, I told you at the beginning before the season started, don't be doing the and paper talk. It's going to be between Man City and Liverpool. Well, where are Liverpool? We can't see them. We can't see them. Yeah?
Stage, when in the hell or how can a Spurs fan talk to a Liverpool fan in any form, whether it was back in the days, 100 years ago, or even in 2022? A club that has never won any trophies. Have you ever seen that in your history? You have never seen that kind of thing. And you want to say that me and you cannot sit down on the same table? No, Deji. That is not possible. Let me make it.
Or can we agree that Tottenham equally haven't played well this season and we're 10 points clear of you? Can we disagree on that fact?
Yes. They came alive yesterday. They were rebirth yesterday.
When you come to the studio every day, you see yours. You see. You guys.
What happened yesterday? Shut up! What happened yesterday? That means
like madman. You cannot do nothing.
I beat you yesterday. I'm here for you. What happened yesterday? You're my boy, my bitch. Come here. Come here. Why you not wearing your jersey?
All the big games.
Position. You beat Bournemouth 9-0. Bournemouth ahead of you. Shut up. Get out. Can you even beat Spurs? Get out. Get out from here. You cannot beat Spurs. See, pray you don't play Spurs. Just pray. If you play Spurs, what they will do to you? But you will not wear singlets the next time you come on this show.
They just doing nothing.
You wear singlets.
If Arsenal somehow maintain what they're doing right now, I think for me, I'll even give up streaming. I'll give it up and I'll rip my shirt live online because that would be a disaster. That's what's going to make me cry. I'll rip up my shirt online if Arsenal were to win the league.
When you got
a manager that has an informed player like Firmino, who's been scoring and has a great record against Arsenal, and he's not starting him at the Emirates, you can just see
we have a lot of players that have a good record against Arsenal.
He's so far away from this.
Listen.
Far away from what's going on today that he's losing himself. He's not the captain. He's allowing Trent to get ripped week after week instead of protecting the boy and either giving him an extra centre back to cover him or taking him out of the pitch. It's him. It's Klopp. That's the problem right now. And I get it. I get it. All you Liverpool fans don't want to say it because he's done so much great things for you.
We've been winning trophies. With this manager has been winning trophies. How dare you question my manager? How dare you question my manager?
I've been there with Wenger. He's done so many great things, and I didn't want to believe he could do anything wrong. But that's the case right now. He's doing it wrong. He's doing a Dortmund.
No, you can't compare. You can't complain.
I'm giving for a 5-minute countdown because we've never had anyone on our show that was 10 or lower.
That's real talk, bro. This is the lowest position we've had on our show.
I mean, I don't know what we're
in One Touch TV history.
This show used to be about the top 6.
Wow,
that can't be possible. I swear Arsenal must have been like
the lowest.
13.
Sorry, bro.
This is the lowest. This is the lowest. You've got the crown for appearing on this show in the lowest position.
That's not possible.
Live on One Touch TV.
Nah.
I don't get it. Have you had an Everton West Liverpool? Let me tell you, Liverpool. There is nothing you can say to defend yourself personally and your team. Follow. The only thing you can do is say, you know what? On tonight's show, Jack can eat humble pie, and that's it. There's nothing you can do to say
listen. I've been eating humble pie since yesterday.
Humble pie.
I've been eating.
That's what Liverpool is holding on to. That's why you're holding on to Liverpool. Damn.
Now you get mad. You get mad last season. You get mad last season.
Salah, you play Salah. I didn't see Salah yesterday. Salah is not to Christmas.
Is it not this season?
Salah is not Christmas and New Year.
My front three, Salah, yesterday.
Where's Salah? Trent on the bench. Trent is a reggae star. See, Trent now. He's not into reggae.
They don't talk about